Lenovo just introduced the new lineup of Yoga and Legion laptops. We are focusing on the two main products, the Legion Slim 7i and the Yoga 9i. Let's check them out. First, the Yoga 9i. The 9i takes the Yoga lineage forward and improves upon it. Yes, there is a usual folding factor with this laptop, but the design is all new. It features an arc-shaped design which makes it easier to hold and is really lightweight. It comes with a 14-inch 4K display that is also touch-enabled. The panel is gorgeous and super responsive. The laptop is powered by Intel Core i7 processor paired with Intel Iris Xe graphics and run on Windows 11. The Yoga 9i is priced at Rs 1,69,990. Moving to the big gun, the Legion Slim 7i. It features a 16-inch WQXGA screen with a refresh rate of 165Hz. The screen is a delight to play games on. It runs on Intel Core i7 processor with NVIDIA RTX 3050 Ti graphic card with a dedicated 4GB DDR6 RAM. The laptop runs on Windows 11 Home and you also get a 3-month trial on the Xbox Game Pass. The Legion Slim 7i is priced at Rs 1,44,990. It's a heaven for gamers, so I'm going to go play some games. For more informative content, make sure to follow Business Insider India.